Alright, for your practice for your unit test, we're going to go through some more solving because some of us have forgotten how to solve, and that's okay. Starting off with the first one, I have x squared plus 5x minus 66. Label my A, B, and C's. A will be 1, B will be 5, and C will be negative 66. And I will be solving with a quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. My b value is 5, so negative 5 plus and minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 66, negative 66, all over 2 times 1. This gives me negative 5 plus and minus the square root of 25 plus negative 4 times negative 66. I'm going to use a calculator. $264. All divided by 2. So simplifying the inside, 25 plus 264 gives me $289. So negative 5 plus and minus the square root of 289 over 2. I think this is a perfect square. The square root of 289 is 17. So I have negative 5 plus and minus the square 17 over 2. Notice when I simplify the square root of 289, it just becomes 17 with no radicals. This splits into negative 5 plus 17 over 2, negative 5 minus 17 over 2. Negative 5 plus 17 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So one answer is x equals 6. The other answer, negative 5 minus 17 is negative 22. Negative 22 divided by 2 is x is equal to negative 11. Next box, solving using another method. Hint, if you end up with rational solutions, then you can factor. So rational solutions are solutions that don't have radicals. They do have repeating decimals. So that means I could do the factoring for this one. So if I do the x puzzle on this, I have 66, negative 66 on top, and 5 on the bottom. And negative 66, the factors are 11 and 6, but it needs to come out to a positive 5, so 11 minus 6. And because this is a 1x squared, I can do the shortcut. That gives me x plus 11, x minus 6 is equal to 0. Next, I can use the zero product property, stating each factor can be set equal to 0. X plus 11 equals 0. X is equal to negative 11. X minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6. So the same two answers I got from here and from here. The last column, write the answers as x values. So I have the first one as negative 11 and the second one as 6. Now write the answer as x-intercept, so it's going to be negative 11, 0, and then 6, 0.